So welcome back. I'd like to just do one more example with complex fractions, see if we can simplify. I mean, that last one was pretty darn difficult. But hopefully going through the exercise is going to help you become more stronger algebraically. After doing that problem, let's look at this problem and see what we can come up with. Again, we have a complex fraction. We have fractions over fractions. Again, we want to identify that denominator. So looking at the top fraction, we see this 2 and this 4 as our denominators. On the bottom, we just see these 2's. So all we really see is, for our LCD, is we just see really just a 2 and a 4. So a common denominator, well, the next multiple of 2 is a 4. So my least common denominator is a 4. So my LCD is a 4. So I found the LCD. The next thing I want to do is I want to multiply the top and bottom by the LCD. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the top by 4, and we're going to multiply the bottom by 4. Now, when you do it, remember, this is the Schroeder property. We're going to multiply this 4 to each piece. So notice that since this is on the bottom, this is going to be division, actually. 2 goes to the 4 twice, and 2 times 1 is 2. 4 goes to 4 once, and 1 times x plus 5 is just x plus 5. So that changes into that. On the bottom, we see 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. That was a subtraction symbol, so I have a minus. Again, 2 went into 4 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. So simplified, the top does look like we have a couple of like terms. The 2 and the 5 go together. I always like to put the variable out first, so x plus 7. And then on the bottom we have 2x squared minus 10 as my denominator. And that's what we mean by more of a simplified fraction. Now it just has simply a numerator denominator instead of all this numerator denominator stuff. So it keeps it a little bit more simple. So see how that problem wasn't so bad. So that completes our lesson on complex fractions.